Continue. Traveling on Shabbos. One who must travel on Shabbos, such as medical emergencies, should not recite Tefillas HaDerech because we do not ask for personal requests on Shabbos. That's unbelievable. Who said it? Rabbi Eliezer Shvei Israel. Very interesting. So sometimes a Jew must travel on Shabbos. Why is that? To take somebody to the hospital or some emergency. Right? So somebody's trying to convert. Right, so I mean they're trying to convert a Jew to another religion. So you are allowed to put Shabbos on hold and drive there or run there, do whatever you need to stop that conversion. So, but even though it's dangerous and stuff like that, so you don't say the blessing. Why? It's very simple. On Shabbos we don't say we don't ask for personal needs. That's why on Shabbos we have a different structure of Shmona Esrei. So Shmona Esrei, it's mean 18 blessings, even though 19. So, but that's not what we do on Shabbos. We have first 3, so we praise Hashem. Then blessing of the day, be it Shabbos or Yom Tov, and then the last 3, we thanking Him. Okay, but no personal things. Okay. So on Shabbos, personal things, we're not allowed to ask for personal things. But even though, like in a shul, when you are allowed to ask for a refuah, for example, for health, for multiple, for community, for the whole nation. So that's a little different. So when Gabbai is saying on Shabbos, that's a little different. You just enter the name, but it's not your personal prayer.